I've used both the PLAUD AI voice recorder and the Chime Note AI voice recorder. They both similar devices. They kind of do the same thing, but there are a few more features that I like about the PLAUD AI that I'm going to show you now in this video. So the first thing is the size. So this PLAUD AI has a case for the magnetic connection to your phone to be able to connect to the back of your phone. So even with that being able to connect on there and then using this one by itself without a case, it is still smaller in size. So you can see bigger that way, thicker, and the devices itself is, so the devices themselves are much smaller. The PLAUD AI is much smaller. It does not have a screen like the Chime Note, but really that's not that big of a deal. The design is cooler, obviously with that skinniness to it. You have a USB-C on the Chime Note, and then you have a custom plug in there. So that is one thing I prefer USB-Cs for my devices, just because it's nice to have a common device connection to make things a lot easier, but not too big of a deal. It is nice with the case as opposed to without a case, is that you're going to have some protection there. So putting it in that case, again, you don't have to use a case, but it is for that connection to the magnetic connection to your phone, so you can have it on your phone and everything like that. So when using the PLAUD AI and connecting it to the app, it's pretty straightforward. And with the connections or the app usage, there are actually a couple things that I like more with the PLAUD AI over the Chime Note. One of the major things is that inside here, when you're doing the recording the meeting or whatever you're doing, you have Chime Note breaks it down into hour-long segments. So if you record something for more than an hour, it's going to break it into different segments. The PLAUD Note does not do that. I don't know if that's a setting or something I could change, but it is much easier when I'm doing 3-hour-long D&D, Dungeons and Dragons sessions, role-playing sessions with my friends. It is nice to use this to record those sessions and be able to access it through a summary and get those readings and stuff. So obviously it's good for your meetings, work meetings, school meetings, phone calls, stuff like that. You're able to record those and then get a summary of them. So let me show you kind of what we got for this role-playing game. So this was 3 hours, and I broke it down. Oh, the other thing, huge benefit with the PLAUD over the Chime is that it transcribes the audio recording way faster. So this is kind of slow, kind of annoying, to be honest. PLAUD AI transcribes it, I don't know, 10 times faster or something. It takes a real long time to transcribe 3 hours worth of stuff on the Chime. It did not take super long. I don't remember exactly how long, but it did not take that long to transcribe it with the PLAUD. So these are notes straight from a 3-hour-long role-playing session, and it breaks down, everything that happened. You can do different types of notes. So let's see, you can transcribe it right here, and then you go to the summary. Let me see if I can change re-summarize. Okay, so here you can select your different summary options. So whatever type of summary you want for it to create. So depending on the type of meeting that you have or the type of recording that you have, you can do that. Some of these do require a subscription. Chime Note doesn't have a subscription, but there are more features with the PLAUD, so those features are, I think, worth paying for if you are going to be using them. So yeah, a lot of different options for transcribing it, which makes it really cool, and you can do it any way that you want. And then from the transcription, you can also do a mind map, and then see what is all you should be doing from there through the mind map, which is really cool. So overall, PLAUD Note, super cool, really easy to use. I think it's better than the Chime Note. Chime Note still is cool. It definitely works. Just a few more features and benefits to this one, and recommend it. So if this video is helpful for you guys in making a decision, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next review video. Thanks.